Welcome back. So we do have a little special weather statement for parts of Iowa and Nebraska, particularly Tekamah, Blair, Fremont, Nebraska, along with Whiting, Napleton, and Onowa, Iowa. Now you're definitely getting a Whiting here because this is likely snow induced. You have area of moderate snow, which can rapidly reduce visibility down to a quarter of a mile. Um, so yeah, that's that's what likely triggered this. Um, and okay, this includes Interstate 29 between mile marker 77 and 118. So just be careful if you are able to avoid being on the road during this time. Do that. If not, drive carefully. And yeah, so that's definitely something you can do there, but there's really not much else happening. It's just a little bit of snow in this area. So yeah. With that, that does seem to be it for right now. Stay safe out there. See you in the next video. Bye.